Y'all, what is up? Today I'm going to be playing some BlockStar Planet, and I played this game a little while, maybe last year, but not on my channel. So the reason I'm not using a face cam because the reason I'm not using my face cam is because I really just don't want to. So hold on, I meant to do this before. Okay. So now let's get to playing. First level, we're gonna play my first VIP world, which is a hard difficulty. Oh, insane difficulty. Okay. Hopefully it's not that insane. Oh, good. These don't disappear. Because if I was playing Roblox and it was lagging like this, I would have been dead. Do you think I'm crazy? And I can't jump. They locked me on the ground. That's just great. I need a key. Oh, got it. I touched it. Whoa there, buddy. Whoa, buddy. I'm doing so well. Alright, let's try this one more time. Oh, the sound of my scorpion legs just creeping me out. How? Sometimes this stuff would just be cheating. Oh, I didn't click it. There. I'm already 35 seconds into this game. Oh no. I'm mad. I gotta do that all over again. Wait, if it's their teleporter. You know what? Let's go to the next game, because next level. Easiest parkour ever, which is, let's see how easy it is. Oh, you call that easy? An easy parkour wouldn't have the yellow death things. I have played it for a while, because me and my brother have played, but we haven't recorded it, so he can get the feel of it. I'm already 4 minutes in. Wow, this feels like forever. This is easy parkour right here. I might make my own level once I get more experienced with this game. Don't worry. I can get back up there. I can get back up there as easily as I got down. No, nope. Lettuce. The lettuce of the bread saved. The lettuce of the burger saved me. I'm trying, I'm really trying. Ooh. What is that black stuff on the burgers? Yes, as you can tell, I am filming at whatever time that's said. Thank you, Jesus. Oreos. I just had some of these earlier. Next level. Please like, which is an easy level. Why do I feel like I've gone through the same loop over? Am I going through the same loop over and over again? Oh, thank God. I thought I was going into the same loop over and over again. Are you serious? And my game's lagging. Fortnite. Oh, here we go. Is that the... Did they seriously make the battle bus in Fortnite? Oh. Number 1 victory royale goes to me. Number 1 victory royale. Next level. Kenzie's first parkour. No, shout out to all the BlockStar Planet developers who make these, not the developers, like the level developers and game developers. Like, I've tried to make a BlockStar Planet level, like one of these levels, and it's hard. So shout out to y'all. Y'all are, I don't even know what to say. Y'all are amazing that y'all can do this in such, make it have like such a nice game. I am getting to a teleporter. But like, y'all comment down below if y'all ever played this or are still playing it to this day. I want to get to that teleporter. and I am gonna get to that teleporter. But like the level developers, I've seen the level editor, and they have. If y'all make something this beautiful and this good of a game that so many people play, y'all got real talent. And for a first level, I haven't even finished it, and it looks pretty awesome. Like, I've made games before, like, I've made levels before, but nothing like this. Cool. Now, if I go that way. So, it seems to be lacking an ending, so let me look around and see. Okay, for a first level, that's pretty good. No, I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to cut this video short. I don't know what the name of this was. Oh, the difficult. You're telling me we didn't have to do that? You should really put lava down here or something. I get he probably didn't have the resources and stuff, but seriously, don't make a level this good without lava or something, so people like me don't cheat. And like the last level, this seems to be NBA Youngboy 2.5. Like the other one, this seems to be lacking an ending, so I will leave that game and start my outro. What? Sorry, but I hope you enjoyed today's video, my warheads, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace, peace, peace.